dreams, dreams. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for the new moms who are expecting their babies to come. The very first thing you think about is how to prepare for the baby and what to buy. So even before you start writing your list of what you need for the baby, these are 3 important tips that will help you prepare for the baby on a budget. Hope you enjoy this video. Keep on watching.
So now I brought my notebook with me to help me remember all of this stuff and all of the tips that I got for you. There are main 3 tips I wanted to share with you guys. These 3 tips will help you actually know from where to start and also help you prepare for this baby on a budget. Number 1, search, and search a lot. Surf the net or even watch YouTube videos like this video. There are a lot of videos and a lot of moms out there. Of course, the experience is different from a mom to another, and the lifestyle is different from a mom to another, and also the choices are different from a mom to another. There are a lot of moms who are living a very healthy lifestyle and who look for just organic stuff for their baby, and there are others who are like more practical moms. I mean, there are a lot of moms who are different, and we all are great, but I mean that look and watch a lot to see what kind of things that might work better for you. So the very first thing is to watch a lot of videos and to make a great search before you even start preparing your list. 2 is the most important tip, you mummies. You need to write a list for the months from your baby's due date until the time you want to buy clothes. For example, you want to buy clothes for your baby until he is or she is 6 months or until a year. Here you need to make a list of the months. For example, if your baby is gonna come in January, for example, you want to buy him clothes until he is, for example, 3 months only. So write January, February, March, and next to every month or in front of every month, write how is the weather going to be. Is it going to be hot? Is it going to be cold? How is it going to be? So that when you go to buy, you know what kind of clothes you're going to buy. You don't want to buy heavy clothes for winter while your baby is going by that age to be at that certain age. The weather is going to be, for example, hot, so your baby is not going to be able to wear those heavy clothes, and vice versa. So you have to make sure that the clothes that you're going to be buying for that age of your baby are going to suit the weather by then. So let me show you what I mean exactly. You want to buy, for example, clothes from 0 to 3, and maybe you want from 3 to 6, and you want from 6 to 9. So you are going to buy him clothes until he is next 9 months, for example. So let's say your baby is gonna be born on January. So just write January, and then write February, and then March, and then April, and then after that you write the age, and then here you write the weather. For example, from January to February your baby is going to be 1 month, so this is 1 month, for example. From February to March he's going to be 2 months, like that. And then from here to here he's gonna be 3 months. Okay, so now the weather, how is it gonna be in your country or in the area you are living? So let's say here the weather is gonna be cold, so the weather is gonna be here also cold. Here let's say it's gonna start to be warmer, so warm. So now when you go to buy clothes, you look for clothes from 1 to 3, heavy clothes because it's gonna be cold, and then buy him some clothes from 3 to 6 that are a little bit lighter because the weather is gonna get warmer, and so on. Tip number 3. Do it yourself. Yes, be ready to DIY anything you can do for a baby. There are a lot of things that you need, but you actually don't need to buy. You can make them yourself. They're not only cheaper, it's not a cheaper thing to do your baby's things yourself, but also it is more meaningful, and believe me, it's full of joy and happiness when you feel you're doing this thing with your hands for your little baby. It is so much exciting and so much fun. And if you want to have some ideas on what you can DIY, don't forget to check my DIY videos that will give you some idea of things that I didn't buy, but I did them myself for my little baby.